Hello everyone, I'm Priya Haltra from thestatesman.com and today we are here with the cast of Python. Welcome sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi, thank you.
So we have already seen the trailer and got a glimpse of the gang of the battlefield. So let's start with how this Python was formed. Like how did you people landed up this role and were like finalized for your characters?
No, there's a magician who's named JP Datta. He had a magic stick, so he got this magic done of putting all these fit guys together, and in no time we were in Ladakh in our uniforms and shooting for this such a prestigious film called Paltan, and I think that was one of the most special experiences for all of us. And today, when we are there for the release, even we can't wait to see the movie.
So, like, did he have this idea already in his mind that Harshvardhan Rani would be Harbhajan Singh Major? And like, was it like that? You people were like casted for different?
Well, actually not. I think he had actually cast Abhishek was supposed to play Harsh's character, but for the rest of us, he already cast us. And then Abhishek, for whatever reasons, was not part of the film. But Harsh, fortunately for him, and he's done a fantastic job in the film, where he has given everything at such short notice to that character, a very important character in the film, Major Harbhajan. And JP sir's conviction of just seeing him and saying, yeah, no, I think this guy will be the right fit for it. And then when we actually chatted with JP sir and said, how did you cast us? He said a very interesting thing. He said that most of these war heroes, or real heroes, real war heroes, they are not there anymore, with us. He said that I have not cast, somehow I feel, for this film. The way the casting of this film has happened is, it's almost like those soldiers have chosen who should be playing our characters. And that puts a tremendous amount of pressure on all of us.
So we heard that Nathula Pass was actually opened for the filming of Python. So how was your experience filming Python in such extreme conditions?
So we didn't film this in Nathula.
Ladakh.
We shot it in Ladakh.
Yeah, it's a difficult terrain, and your body is not used to 20% lesser oxygen because you, at sea level, you inhale and there's a certain amount of oxygen which you're used to, and you suddenly go to this altitude and that's not what you're getting anymore. So your body takes around 2-3 days to adjust to that situation, and that's what they term as acclimatizing. And people who go on a bike, it's better for them because they only cover a few thousand feet every day, so they get used to the altitude every day. But people who just land there from a flight, I think they get a sudden shock. So I personally did not, it was my first time, so I think I took it a little easy, and I went to the gym, so for the next 2 days I was suffering. But and I understood the seriousness of what nature can do to you. So you have to respect.
But that only happens to mortals like us. But if you're a lesser mortals, but if you are a superhero and a superman like Mr. Sonu Sood, then you just get off the plane and you get onto the terrain.
You can do anything.
You put on your uniform, do a running shot, no problem.
So Ladakh needed acclimatizing when he landed.
Yeah. Actually, I think what it was is that Sonu was such a large man, right? As soon as he came in, he sucked everybody's oxygen and took it all. He took all the oxygen for himself.
ये तो आते ही इसके बाद सीधे उन्होंने शूट स्टार्ट कर दिया. हम लोगों ने 3 दिन आराम किया, इन्होंने 1 घंटा आराम किया, शायद वो भी नहीं.
I came straight to
You people had to actually cope up with him, not Ladakh. So because of fighting, you guys got to live the life of soldiers. So how was it difficult to shoot the life over there? Like, did you ever break down in the process?
Like break down and just started crying and all?
Like anything
No.
that like affected you?
We didn't break down. We were like very fit. We were very disciplined. We are professional actors. Yes, of course, sometimes somebody's having a bad day or whatever, and it happens with the weather. But unfortunately, it only happened to two people in that whole thing. One was Lab and one was Siddhant. They were the only two people who needed some TLC and
TLC.
tender loving care. And they got quite a bit of it from all of us.
Tell us about the characters and how did you prepare for the role?
वेल मेरे कैरेक्टर का नाम कैप्टन PS दागर है एंड जब वर्किंग विद JP दत्ता तो आपको बहुत मेहनत करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. वो सब पे सब कुछ सिखा देते हैं और उनको मालूम है कि उनके एक्टर के साथ कैसे काम करना है. तो मेरे लिए मेरी फैमिली जो है वो बहुत ईजी तो और प्लस JP सर के साथ काम करना वॉज लाइक ड्रीम कम ट्रू.
No, he prepared so much, you'll have to do an interview separately. Because it's tiring every time we have to hear his preparation.
नहीं पहले गलती होगी इसलिए इतना प्रिपेयर कर लिया मेरा कैरेक्टर प्रिपेयर कर लिया.
Me, I'm limping. Limping, listening to about his preparation. I got so tired. My one leg is not working anymore.
बाय मिस्टेक इसने मेरा कैरेक्टर प्रिपेयर कर लिया था फिर बाहर निकालना पड़ा.
Sorry.
One day came onto the set with a turban. He thought he was he thought he was Major Harbhajan Singh. So he's a bit of a schizophrenic and he has split personalities, which is what we learned about Captain PS Dagar.
We actually had this question in our mind to ask who is the biggest prankster
You
on the
must
set.
have.
But now we can.
Now you know.
You have proof, video proof.
One thing I want to ask: what was the biggest prank that you played on your leg?
Oh, I cannot say that on a serious
Actually
channel like
with Chan we played na that you're going to be with the bullet blast that's going to happen. And father son.
Yeah, but they caught on to it.
It took time. I think two days they were in real shock.
Yeah. The one where we said they have to put the squids. So what we did, which was not my prank, because I would not do anything so cruel, it was Sonu, okay, who decided that we should tell the...
There's a father son
who play the Chinese guys.
Okay.
You know the Chinese guys who play the Chinese, you see him shouting in the like Natula Hamara and all of that, okay. So he had to get shot. So he said, we tell him that there is a special effect that you have to put on the head, and the bullet's going to go
like
through
a
your
blast.
head like a
It's
blast,
like actually a blast.
which is going
It's
to
a special
happen
effect
on
kind
your
of a
head.
thing where the blast happens and
And so
actually
the
very
squib,
risky.
which you kind of plant on the head. And we got the action director, Mr. Shyam Kaushal, and everybody on our side, and even JP sir, everybody. We all kind of conspired this whole thing, where we said that we'll convince him that he has to get shot in the head and he has to wear the squib. But he has to sign one form that he might lose his memory. Okay, that if there is extra damage to his brain or whatever, none of us are responsible and all of that. And that poor chap, he did not sleep for 3 nights.
No, he was ready. First he was ready.
First he said no.
okay, it's a part of it. So then I went to him, I said, you shouldn't have said no because, sometimes this happens and, no one really bothers. He said, are you serious? Then I spoke to the son, I said, you should be careful, your father is going to be shot and all. Then the son got that, the father fear, then he said, no, that's not going to happen. Then so it was with those Chinese guys. Finally, after 3 days.
You can have a lot of fun on a set, but then when you try to say it, we all sound like idiots. When you try to say, oh, we did this and we did that, you have to experience it really. Right. So next time we are shooting, you should just come and experience it with us.
I would love to. If I
And we can have that special effect on your forehead also.
I'm ready to sign the form also.
Alright, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So after playing such great characters in your previous films, so you're playing a soldier in this film. What do you have to say about this?
Well, I
But he was not a good soldier. Grey only.
अर्जुन
No, I'm joking.
अर्जुन सर को बचपन से देखा है. जब मैं छोटा पैदा हुआ था तभी मैंने सर को देखा था.
मैं तो उनका स्कूल टीचर भी रहा. मैं इनको गोद में लेकर घूमता था. इतने छोटे से बच्चे थे ये.
In fact, in the first,
दूध पिलाता था मेरे को।
in fact,
मेरे को बड़े कितने बड़े हो गए, बाल भी कितने बड़े हो गए।
in fact, इनका फर्स्ट बर्थडे पार्टी आपकी पिक्चर दिखा के ही हुआ था।
हाँ, कहाँ थे हम लोग?
कैरेक्टर कैसे?
So we heard that your father wanted to be a soldier.
Yeah.
So, but he couldn't watch you on screen
Yeah.
for this film. So, what do you have to say about it?
No, I think I wish he could see the film, you know, in me in the army uniform, and in fact I told him that I'm going to do JP sir's film, and he was pretty excited about it, and you know that I'll always miss that feeling, that, you know, the reaction that I would have seen on his face when he would have seen the movie. But I'm sure, you know, he'll be watching somewhere. Yeah.
So you're playing Major Harbhajan Singh,
Yeah.
the soldier who was actually honored with the
Mahavir
Mahavir
Chakra,
Chakra.
yeah.
So was it difficult to, like, was there pressure on you to like match up to that stature, because he
Yes,
was
lots
such
of-
a courageous
Lot of pressure, because this is a real character that you're trying to portray on the screen. Before this, I've only done a fictional work, so you have a lot of freedom in that, where you can, you know, take liberty of molding the character any which ways. But this character is written about, spoken about. There are evidences. It's the families are, you know, still around, and his friends are still around, and they have certain expectations from this character. So I think that put a lot of pressure on me, but then all of them helped me out. JP sir helped me out, and I breezed through it.
Please ask him how he got the role. It is the best story in the world. It is the best story.
So how you got there?
So I'll tell you. So basically, he's Tarzan. Okay, he goes into the jungle.
You're the trees.
And yeah, he was in the trees and all of that. And he had gone this time with Jane. He had met Jane. You know, Jane was Tarzan's girlfriend. So one day Jane got hungry. And she was really, really hungry. So Tarzan decided to put on some clothes, and he went to the highway, right?
Highway, sir.
Highway, and there was a little stall there to buy eggs for Jane, because he wanted to give her some eggs. And that's where he got some network saying that JP sir might be casting you in this film.
JP sir
Now the
wanted to
mystery
see me.
is, where is Jane? Because he has left Jane in that jungle, and he has come to Paltan shoot.
And she's still waiting there.
Now please ask him, where is Jane?
No, but apart from Jane,
No. Is that all?
apart from Jane, everything that sir said is true. I was out there. But I'm really lucky, as my second film, to get a call from JP sir's office. I think it's a milestone in any actor's career. And I came running back to network and to the city, to civilized life. And then Nidhi Datta, JP sir's daughter, she met me. She said, "Sir is okay with everything. There's just a little bomb that I need to drop on you." And I was like, "Yeah, please go ahead. I love bombs." And she's like, "We have to leave in 3 hours." So while they were all packing and leaving for airport, I was being casted. So I was the last person to come on board.
No, but we were leaving, and he was still preparing for the character.
So that was the last question.
Sure.
After filming Paltan, did your idea or perspective about wars change? Like, was there like a difference in what you thought earlier and now that you have gone through the life of a soldier and experienced it all now? Or like on screen?
Yeah, I think, you know, like as Sonu was saying, we all want to be part of the war film. It looks so cool. You're firing real guns, you've got real ammunition, you're doing all of that, and it's very like, you know, testosterone, and your adrenaline is pumping and all that's going on. But actually, after we finished filming, and the carnage, and this was just fake, right? But when you see the carnage of dead bodies lying there, something blown up, burning, the chittas that you have to, you know, the pyres that you have to give fire to, that really, I think, emotionally is quite shaking. So I hope that, you know, people can resolve things peacefully, because war really is not a beautiful thing. And I don't think any soldier really wants war. But go and watch a war film on the 7th of September, nevertheless.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
That was
Thank you.
fun. So as you saw, that was a fun conversation with Arjun Rampal, Harshvardhan Rani, Sonu Sood, and